Track and field teens shine. Hi, I'm Debbie. Champs rolls around and the cream of high school athletes take flight. The National Stadium packed with cheering fans, color, and tons of excitement. Here's ER's roundup of one of the biggest events on the local sports calendar.
Anyway, I was doing some work stuff.
My only yearly event. I go all out every single year.
This is a good experience because I haven't been to Champs in years and just like the energy, the vibe. It's fun. It's like taking them back to high school, really. Wait, hold on!
Jamaica College, here's the final change. Come on! Jamaica College, Kingston College!
You need to come out, you know. Champs nice. No war again like one time. Fun, laughter, you know, you can run your joke and everybody all right the next day. Win, lose or draw, rep on the side. But at Kingston College are the boss, the king of champs.
I like their energy. I like their camaraderie.
It's a very competitive champs this year.
What message would you send to the school that is right there behind KC?
Which school is that?
Them need to come better. But no matter how good them come, you can only have one number one.
Come catch us.
But come next year, Kingston College has promised us to win everything for the 100th anniversary.
I will sit in a sea of purple and white, and I fear nobody. You understand? Because the utmost for the highest caliber is KC time now. And in a couple of years, maybe 2 years, caliber will always rise again.
Big names like Damore Miller, Daniel Wright.
You had Terry Long, you had Mario Ross, you had Natrice East, you had Michaela and Michaela Gardner from Woolman's the sisters, the young lady from Mushet. Oh Lord, I love her. The 200-meter winner, I love her.
Shania Douglas from Mushet goes by Terry Long. On the outside, Hazel will get third.
Johan Ramalda Smythe, Shania Douglas. Mushet High School, straight out of Wakefield.
I'm here with my daughter, yeah? They feel young and fresh and alive. The vibes is immaculate. It's electrifying, the noise.
Let's go, JC, let's go! Let's go, JC, let's go!
Pouring into the biggest track and field high school championships in the world, I dare say. Woo-hoo, Team Winners! Woo!
If we could have more easier access to getting tickets before the date, that would be good, as well as the food choices here are very limited.
It's a great feeling when you understand that most people who are past students can come and celebrate, but the younger people who want to be a part of it can't get the opportunity to do it.
One issue though is on the move all of the big races them up in the week, but like the crowd still not coming in because it's Friday and the Saturday night, them bring the swing, right? And the top big race them for the on them day there. Yeah, so we can come out and full joy we say, but not everybody can make it in the week. Like for me, we are nurse, I have to wait for a weekend or something, maybe a vacation, but I'm on vacation just to champs.
Look at this! It's Homewood Technical.
All right, Homewood. That was a blistering run from you guys. It was all about KC and Excelsior. Tell me about it.
Well, it's not about the school. It's the talent and the hard work and the training that you put in.
It's a great feeling to know that we win champs again, and it's our last year. And we could have broken the record, but we've been running from Tuesday. So the impact of that's why. We have to give God praise.
Was the sacrifice worth it? Was all the hard work and training worth it? Sleepless nights, I guess?
Yes, sleepless nights. Been working, so we're just grateful. Really, really grateful.
We're
feeling very, 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 very happy. As you can see, all the celebration going on, all the smiles. We work hard, and we are here reaping the success of that.
Were you nervous at all?
I mean, yes, we had a few hiccups, so we're definitely going to be nervous. And it's a championship, so therefore, we're going to all be nervous. But we know that we are the best.
Proper planning. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. No one said no, we can't lose, but we will always here to compete.
We deserve it. We came for it.
The fact that we lost last year and reclaim our title, we don't intend to give it up again for a long time, so beware.
A lot goes into preparing for an event like Champs. I mean, training every evening after school. That takes a lot of dedication, a lot of hard work, and we have put in the work, and here we are.
What did you miss out on most when you were preparing for Champs?
Well, I missed out mostly on the fun because I'm a fun person. I like to party, I like to enjoy myself, and I missed out on that. But that's okay because I know what I want.